Hello, people of PO401. Each podcasting kit includes a Zoom H5 recorder and 2 lapel mics, an external mic, and you can also borrow headphones. Let's unpack the kit. First up, we have the Zoom recorder, which will probably be in a plastic case. You can use the microphones on the recorder itself. If you're recording in windy conditions, pop the wind foam cover on it. Speaking of windy conditions, this windscreen on the end of one of the lapel microphones is affectionately known as a dead cat by audiophiles. It is also for outdoors recording and it is removable. Don't worry, no animals were harmed in its manufacturing. Next up is the top of the mic stand. Once you've got that, then grab the bottom tripod part of the mic stand. Attach the tripod. Okay, that's all sorted. Pay attention to the handles on the top of the mic stand. We'll come back to those in a minute. Now, pick up the external mic so you have it ready to go. Now to put our external mic on its stand. Pick up the stand, pull the 2 handles together using your thumb and forefingers and hold, then slide the mic into place. The correct end of the cable for the mic has a cuff at the end of it. Plug it into the port. You will hear a click once it is fully attached. Now you need the other end of the XLR cable, the flat end. That plugs into the port on the bottom of the Zoom recorder. Use port 1 on the left. Making sure the pins are the right way up, plug the cable in as far as it will go. Alas, there is no click this time, so you just have to check it is secure. Congratulations, your gear is now set up.